Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Cozi Family Organizer. Cozi Family Organizer is a highly rated app designed to help families stay organized with shared calendars, to-do list, grocery list, and meal planning. It's easy to use, allowing multiple family members to access and update schedules in real time. The free version offers essential features, but frequent ads can be distracting. This pushes some users toward the Cozi Gold subscription for an ad-free experience and extra features like birthday tracking and customizable reminders. Parents especially love its ability to keep track of kids' activities, appointments, and shopping needs in one place. The meal planning tool is a bonus, simplifying weekly dinner with integrated receipt storage. While some users find the interface slightly outdated, its functionality remains solid. Cozi sync across devices, ensuring family members stay on the same page. Overall, it's a reliable and practical app for busy households looking for better coordinations. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.